This is a cost of fitness calculator. It's designed to help you determine how much it's going to cost you in additional money and time to get yourself in better physical condition. You'll notice on the screen there are two side-by-side tables. The one on the left in blue, titled Your Current Diet, is where you put down the things that you're currently eating right now and the nutritional values. The one on the right in peach is titled Your Ideal Diet, and that's where you'll record what it would take to give you the ideal diet. In other words, a diet that's going to help you get in better shape. So let's take a look at the one on the left and explain how this works. I'm going to go in the top column here, the top row, under time, and I'm going to say we're going to eat at 11 o'clock. And let's just go out for some fast food, and we'll get a Big Mac today. And we'll have one of those. The calories are 550 calories. There are 25 grams of protein, 46 grams of carbohydrates, 29 grams of fat, and 9 grams of sugar, and a Big Mac costs us $3.99. In addition to that, we're going to have some fries. And we'll have one of those. And the fries have 560 calories. They have 6 grams of protein. They have 74 carbohydrates. They have 27 grams of fat, no sugar, and those cost us $1.79. And then, because we're kind of watching what we're eating today, we're going to have a Diet Coke. And we'll have 16 ounces of that. And that comes to 0 all the way across the board. And that's going to run us $1.29. Now notice what happens as I enter all this information in here is totaled up at the bottom. So far we have 1,110 calories, 31 grams of protein, 120 grams of carbohydrates, 56 fat grams, 9 grams of sugar, and it's cost us $7.07. So you'll go through your entire day and write down what it is that you eat, and that will give you an idea of what your nutritional values and the cost is that you're spending right now. Now let's go back over here, and we're going to try something different in our diet. We'll again go at 11 o'clock, and this time we're going to have some oatmeal. And we'll have 1 cup of that. Calories has 300. Protein are 10 grams. Carbohydrates 54 grams. And fat 6 grams. We're not going to put any sugar in here. And let's just say, and I don't know what the actual cost is, but let's just say that cost us $1. All right, now next we're going to have in here some casein protein. And we're going to have 1 scoop of that. Calories are going to be 140. Protein is 30. Carbohydrates is 2. Fat is 1. No sugar. And once again, let's just say that costs $1. I don't know what the actual cost of a scoop is. I'm sure it's less than that, but that's what we're going to put in here. And now we're going to have some egg whites, 1 cup of egg whites. That gives us 120. Protein, we're going to have 24. Carbohydrates, 3. Fat, 1. No sugar. And let's just say, again, that's $1. Again, I don't know if that's right or not, but we're going to put $1 in. You can do the comparison or add it up yourself. And then let's put in some flaxseed. Some ground flaxseed. We're going to have a protein scoop of that. So, and the flaxseed is going to have 35 calories. It's going to have 1.5 in protein and 2.5 in carbohydrates, 2.5 in fat, and sugar, none. And once again, let's just say it's $1. I have no idea what that actual price is per scoop, and I know that's very high. Well, let's take a look at what we've got added up here. 595 calories, 66 grams of protein, 62 grams of carbohydrates, 11 grams of fat, no sugar, and it cost us $4. Now, if we scroll down here, you're going to notice that there are some additional tables. This summary one on the left is going to take the figures from both of those calculators. Remember, we had the blue calculator, which is directly above, 1110, 31, 120. It's going to put that right in here automatically and put our cost of $7. Then over here, we take the information from the one on the right, the peach colored one, 595, 66, 62, and so on, and that inserts that in here, and it rounded it off. Now you can see the difference. We had 515 more calories in our normal diet than we have under the ideal diet. Protein, we're 35 grams in the whole already. Carbohydrates, we've got 59 additional grams of carbohydrates from what we're eating right now. Fat, we have 46 more grams of fat. Sugar, we have 9. And it cost us $3 more than the ideal diet. Now you see what happens if you take a look at this. You say, I'm getting more calories, I'm getting less protein, significantly more carbohydrates, way more fat, more sugar, and it's costing me more. So to get in good physical condition and to feed your body the right way, you should be able to get a significantly higher nutritional value for less money than you're spending right now. Now, of course, when you start to figure in maybe some meat or fish or chicken, the price might go up a little bit, but when you take out the desserts and all the rest of the things that are giving you the extra calories, the extra carbohydrates and fat and sugar, you're going to see a significant difference. Now let's take a look at the time. How much additional time is it going to take you to get in good shape? Well, the calculator on the right will tell us that. There are 24 hours in a day. If we're going to work out 1 hour per day, that's only 4% of your time. Now, of course, we're sleeping part of that time as well. But let's just say that we're awake 12 hours a day and we work out just one of those hours. That's only 8% of our time. If we're awake 16 hours, what happened? And we work out 1 hour, that's 6% of our time. Can you invest 6% of your time and about the same money or even less to eat and not get a significant return on your health? It really doesn't take much. So play around with the calculator. See what you think. Put your own figures in there. Take a look at your training time. Take a look at how much you're eating, how much you're spending currently. I think you'll be surprised that with a very little amount of effort, a very little amount of cost differentiation, a very little amount of time, you can find a way to get yourself in a lot better physical conditioning than you're in right now.